Jindal School's budding chefs Yash and Adamya are back with another fun, low-carb recipe. Today, they are indulging in low-carb and vegan guacamole. This recipe omits the sour cream of standard guacamole recipe without sacrificing on any of the creaminess. It's time to prepare the delicious guacamole dip. The ingredients required for this recipe are 1 avocado, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of coarsely ground cumin, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 medium-sized tomato, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, cilantro for garnish, salt and pepper to taste. Start by scooping out the avocado into a bowl and add the chopped onions, tomatoes and crushed garlic. Use a fork to press and mix the ingredients gently. Now pour in the lemon juice and olive oil. Mix in the liquids. It's time to add the coarsely crushed cumin and chopped cilantro for the special Indian twist, followed by sea salt and ground pepper. Fold in all the ingredients till you get a spreadable consistency. Your low-carb, vegan guacamole spread is ready to be enjoyed. You can use this guacamole as a dip or as a spread in wraps. These budding chefs are just loving this spread on top of low-carb bread. If you like to see more such videos, do subscribe to our channel and receive timely updates on new recipes.